Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Pro. Getting started is straightforward. First, navigate to the Google AI Studio platform. Once there, you will easily create a new project, which serves as your workspace. This initial setup takes only a few moments, allowing you to quickly dive into the world of generative artificial intelligence. Familiarize yourself with the intuitive interface, designed to make prompt engineering accessible for everyone, even beginners. Crafting effective prompts is key to unlocking Gemini Pro's full potential. Always clearly define what you want the model to do and provide sufficient context. Using specific instructions, perhaps even giving one or two examples, significantly improves the quality of the generated output. Don't be afraid to experiment with various prompt structures and lengths. Sometimes a slight rephrasing can yield dramatically different and better results. Gemini Pro offers a wide array of features to enhance your creative process. It can generate diverse content formats, from detailed text to functional code snippets, making it incredibly versatile. You can also adjust safety settings to ensure the generated content aligns with your preferences and guidelines. Remember, the process is iterative. Refine your input prompts based on the initial responses to achieve your desired outcome with precision. To get the most out of Gemini Pro, begin with simple prompts and gradually introduce more complexity as you become comfortable. Always take a moment to review and refine the generated outputs, ensuring they meet your standards for accuracy and relevance. For those looking to delve deeper, the comprehensive documentation offers insights into advanced techniques and best practices, helping you master this powerful generative artificial intelligence tool.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.